Hi everyone, I'm back with another canning video. This time I'm making Spears kosher dill pickles. I've already got my brew ready, I've got my pans going, and I'm just cutting up the pickles into spears, well, cucumbers. I had kind of started a little bit ahead of time, but I used Mrs. Wage's kosher dill pickles packet. I used one of them. I did 7 1/3 cup of water, 3 1/2 cups of Mrs. Wage's distilled vinegar, 5% acidity, and one of these pouches. And I had already pre-mixed this ingredient, so it is already brewing. But I was just showing you how the jars that I used here and how I had everything going. You always want to heat your jars up before putting anything into them. I found out the hard way. I filled one halfway and, well, it blew out. Also, if you measure to the side of whatever jar you're using, like leave 1/2 inch at the top, they will fit perfectly into whatever jar you are using. I seen it on a video, so you know, maybe it can help somebody else. I thought it was pretty cool, actually. And these cucumbers went a little bit longer than I would have liked, so this is just me showing you that if you do what I said before previously, that they'll perfectly fit into your jar. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm measuring the cucumber to the side of the jar, to the line there, which you can't see it very well, but right there. And then I'm going to cut it and show you how it will perfectly fit into the jar for you. And I had never actually done these before. This is all learning for me this year, but I found that I actually enjoy it quite well. And you know, when winter comes and there's no more tomatoes or garden, it'll be nice to have all this stuff. And hopefully this can help, you know, somebody else, because I actually super duper enjoy this. Some people also like to take the guts out of them, like the seeds and stuff. I don't. It doesn't bother me. I've always ate mine that way. But as you can see, they perfectly fit. Pretty cool little trick. And now I'm just waiting on my jars so that I can pour everything in, and I'm just showing you. I boiled these for 12 minutes until they were hot. And you kind of want to move quickly. You're going to want to pack them. This is what they should look like, because you don't want the jars to get cold. So I had put the brew in. I wiped the tops of those jars and put them in for another 12 minutes. And I had a little bit of extra brew, so I went ahead and did 2 extra jars after this. But as you can see, some nice kosher dill pickles.